I love another something with it.
True.
I look at a girl in the hand, you only mean things and you left him. And you know, see, when you see him back, you love still there. If you got nothing in you.
When me feel say love a pain still, you know. Love is pain.
I people take it make I want joyful something. Yeah?
This how people take love and make pain.
Them I take it make pain to themselves.
Yeah, more you go into more details when they say that.
Because you see hard,
Yeah.
it can't turn up on certain things. It can't manage certain pressure. When if you just left pressure, it's gone. But if you don't find it, it'll fall over.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you have to just overlook that. And they said, yeah! Take. God Almighty see me. Yeah. To me half pack, don't come when me beg me know to get. I take long.
Yeah.
So me not like that.
You try
and I
to
can
know.
say, hey! I say, see it.
So,
I tell people that tomorrow, you know.
so you will share that individual, but for you to beg back an individual, it's hard for you to do.
Yeah, I think you get enough time to beg them in front. You don't believe?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Kind of that me I talk about.
Yeah.
I live it here, no? Front at least forget.
Yeah. Sharing, them say sharing is always caring, you know.
I mean, I better talk about no love thing. You see me?
Yeah.
Care for you, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you share that one, but you know, the love thing you know, share not your heart. You know?
Because they don't show me no love.
Yeah.
You talk about love.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you not show me love, me would tell you, say yes. But what is love? Nobody can talk because people are search for you. They not in you, man. They are search for again. You can't see it in you.
Yeah.
You got one here in you, can't show you. Done. You can make a one to show you, man.
We are going to stick on the topic there.
Yeah.
What is love? Love day in your brother. You see me? So you're not gonna search for love. So like me and me I say. So for example, me I say, oh, me I search for love. I waste my time.
Yeah. About fall in love.
Yeah.
Fall in your backside. You have to have it now, you.
Yeah. Because if you don't have it in your trouble, there.
Yeah.
You have to learn to love yourself. I think when you talk about that, you know, when I feel them, you know, you have to learn to love yourself before you can love anybody else.
If you love yourself, you will know if you love people. If you got that love. If you don't love yourself.
If you see when the woman walk out, left him and say you can't bother with him no more after 15 years, you see me? So, did you say, I know you tell me, say, yo, that man in a fear, you make that pain upon himself?
You know what I mean? You know what I mean do from first?
No?
You know if you mean do no woman, sir?
Oh.
And you get back for me,
and you get back for karma. Oh.
I walk around, come back, you know?
Yes, my boy.
You think nothing good and not come back?
That's true.
Yeah, man. Anything go around, come back around. Come see. You do somebody something, it will come back on you. Or go around so you never know.
So that it will come off.
Yeah, because you never check nothing.
True.
You don't do what you have to do. But you have to look on every part. Yeah, man. No time to see that.
Why, rough still, yeah?
Because me them amongst people, you know, and a war between the two of them and then still live.
Yeah. Yeah.
So human can't leave him. Can't just get up and gone. Because you know, say, you left your girl for 7 years. Whether she come or not, special light up and that.
Yeah.
You know, say, after a 7 year problem we make, things start going when never used to go on.
So in all in case, you know, you know, feel say sometimes you and a woman a friend for them for so long, and all things start going on, your relationship start, you know. In the best way, you feel like your partner for those try to fight for the relationship if they love them one another.
Yes.
Yeah.
But if you know, it's supposed to feel like fiction. You can't stay so cause it's supposed to be dead.
You can't stop him again for the everything
No,
matching.
no, virgin.
Yeah.
If me dead, you're losing, see how it. So nothing.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to really dead, but
Right.
according to your word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's an example.
But at the same time, I don't know. But you are going to feel it though.
True.
Because you see, you and her so close.
Yeah.
Things are going to take you, man. You
Like,
have to check back.
True, man. Look for some local time, man, you know? Some local moment, that's true, man.
You know?
Yeah. Yeah, I wonder say if a boy have a whole long share plan for life and yes,
But
man?
more time you have a woman plan every time you matter. If we live, you know if you do that.
Yeah.
Eh? If we live, till such time, no man, you have to have a mind and know so watch out. You know, no matter what you do, you. Them things they live without. Because we don't have a plan, it always matter for us.
True.
If me and you live till so, you know if you have that, you want him, man, you say you love him, and you want him, you love him make him go then.
Yeah.
Have that in your mind, say, oh, no matter where go on, me not left you, are dead. I call it that time, say. But he's still the wrong, and have to go on. You know? I don't take telling. And if you can't take telling, you're not going to learn nothing. You have your woman, you and him, you can't reason, brother.
Yeah, man. The greatest thing that, man.
At all.
Anything, man.
That's it.
The first thing that in a communication. No?
Yes. But no, you gotta play hide and seek. I mean, you know hide and seek.
True.
And lie business.
And you know, when I look into again for it depends on the type of relationship where you and this girl. You see me, because all heap of different type of relationship.
Yes.
You see me?
And more time I come for you, are you?
Yeah. You need to come and say, oh boy, I'm stuck here, so I'm stuck with him.
And more time
Commitment.
you ain't come for you and you live past it. So.
No. 1
Like,
3 months,
yeah.
1 6 months,
Yeah,
it need
I
come
want
for
to.
part. Yeah, I want to.
One day.
I want day. True, because I don't make for past 24 hours.
Like my virgin, crazy over that time, and that come on, might cure him, I might want a little thing and give a little sex. Crazy. He still have it. You know, see him back.
And you feel, say, boy.
Because the virgin, people in a fight, say, oh, people man too big for him.
Yeah.
But anyway, love they her.
Yeah. Because he is
No
not
matter,
enough to
he
do
does not have nothing to do that.
You believe in that, you see me?
If anyone care for you, you care for her.
Yeah.
You can't hurt.
Yeah, see how we say, yo, a woman that care for me, she love
They
me.
don't care, not certain people are around them what they want.
Mm-hmm.
Then if you get that way, you run from it. That means you don't want nothing. But you have to live that, sir.
True, man.
Everyone's different, you know. And everyone's them right, but to the end we will find out who right from wrong.
Yeah, because no man not say anything wrong. No one will never have ever say
And when
anything
it's
wrong.
wrong, you now own it. And if even when you know saying wrong, you still want to win. And some person you chat to them, he last you talk.
Yeah.
Like say that are winning.
Yeah.
But I don't know winning. The truth and right. Yeah. Eh?
True, man.
The boy asked me, say, how a man know when the man do truth from wrong. So that means that you're a devil, man.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
You're Satan, you.
Yeah.
So you don't know when you do wrong. And I run on the people and people go chat them. Want to chat them up. And you want to have 2 girls and 1 kilo. No man, you're wicked.
True, man.
Make a one go on then, man. You take up with your car, man. So what you could do to make you 1 kilo? And if you see 2, you will be sitting down and see 2 big fat man inside them. And sometimes I have to look for one and swear and sit down. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going like you're tough. You're not tough, man. You go pin on me.
Yeah.
You have a good woman, you know, on next one.
Can watch her.
Unless you're thief and crib.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, unless you're crib and thief.
Yeah. If you want more than we have. But watching enough man don't know when you have a good man to enough for
They can't know because they're evil. Evil people can't see nothing. That pure evil come up in them. As I say, crib, and evil in come. That means no enough of them will come, man. Them are devil. Can watch her. As they come, a pure Satanism in the pan.
Yeah.
They never come with nothing good yet. Like to make your heart joyful.
Yeah, I could show look all
And
over
when you
you.
talk them vex. So who you are who?
True,
Now
man.
come and place.
Yeah. Yeah.
They say me ignorant. Me most.
Yeah.
Too much I want to pay me one.
Mm-hmm.
I can't see with the blind.
And the fire, when the fire burn, you have to lift up.
Cool.
Straight.
Straight.
Yeah.
Me know say me never wrong, but none of them ever tell me say me wrong, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Then I have your heart to tell you that.
Eh? Why? That tell me that thing. Me make you must tell it. Me say, you mean? Then how them I do so?
Mm-hmm.
So me can't tell them.
I mean.
Me can't do like you. Me say you're a hypocrite. And them I said,
Yeah.
then I go like me.
True.
And me must be too hot.
Fire side.
If I have
Yeah, that fire room and
people
Babylon.
have to clean up themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Full time and now. Look how much you run out of stuff and you can't see what cause it. Dirty mind.
Mm-hmm.
Hate your brother and say you love him.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Dirty heart.
Left Babylon something now, man.
Mm-hmm.
Say Almighty God do this.
I mean, every time.
Yes, because we're not blind no longer. We see Babylon fall.
Mm-hmm.
They still a fight.
Mm-hmm.
And if we strong man, they never know where they are. We put them in prison now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Because the truth can't run, you know.
No, sir.
You don't gotta walk on it like it, I don't know. But it can't hide.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's an evil, not agree. People go hide himself and all that and run out back on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, he can't agree. So, entire do wickedness people don't know that you do good them on.
Yeah.
So, what you do, I show.
True, man.
Because people watch you, you know. Before they know what you, they send all somebody.
Mm-hmm. Them now do
You
it.
know, up here and see, you run up there. One time.
Yeah.
And I say, well, how we say now? That's it. You say, alright, tell you say everything alright. You can't tell me what you see.
What if you know if you're there on the block? Mm-hmm.
Easy. Things can done easy, man, and quiet, but if you do ignorant, you can't see.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have a bird, you know you can't come against me.
Yeah.
I think come here run now. You know, say, I'm going to devil.
Mm-hmm.
Direct Satan.
Yeah.
You can't come run here run there.
No, sir. Love we show them, man. Share with them, man, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You do wrong too. Enough time they come and me whap them up when they do wrong. You know? Yes.
Yes, you walk them up.
Yes. And tell him say to go and go tell him mother.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
And tell him what you do too.
Yeah.
You don't believe?
Mm-hmm.
Enough time they come. How fuck you see them? You think they never busy with them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because they know say they can't do nothing wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I say that you do a yard. You know, I come here so come that mama tell you, nah, do it yourself.
Yeah. Love and righteousness we broken at them from a little bit, man.
I'm not looking for killing. But me things them serious.
Yes. So
You
then...
go tell your mother. And they say go tell him and come back.
Mm-hmm.
You know go. I'll push boy and do something, you know, and daddy say if you whap him, I'm not be there.
Mm-hmm.
Talk to him.
Yeah, because sometimes I just that it want, you know.
You hear it? But him said one time, he said, you see when I get trouble? Beat me, man. Me say that time. I'm asking.
God, I rude for choosing
I say
it.
when me beat you, don't kill me.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He said, no, man, me not do you so, man.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
Me say, you not do me. You think say, Bex is not good something? He said that when you being quiet.
When you
And
mix.
he keep quiet with you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, he keep quiet for that time.
Good way, I mean, see that we could do now,
I'm
then.
going back, I'm a foreigner.
Oh, a foreign boy.
You man up there, man.
Mm-hmm.
But you know one left me a hint.
Mm-hmm.
He say, him prefer me lick him one in that hint. You don't believe?
Because them man they are slapping, them man they are slapping for broke, them man they are slapping for broke so we upon them.
Because he go to a restaurant and I time come back
Yeah.
and collect money there.
Yes, remember it.
Them say, buy food, me say, don't.